Kaya walang gustong mag-date nabulol pa ako. Kaya walang gustong mag-date sa'yo dahil sa social media profile mo. I'm Joms and I help men conquer the fear of rejection by mastering confidence. And sa video na to, pag-uusapan natin dito is about how your social media presence can significantly impact your dating life. So, ano ba yung mga signs na you are not utilizing or your social media profile is not optimized? Number one is low quality pictures or walang masyadong pictures ng sarili po. So, if you have low quality pictures, I want you to remove that one. Or if you have a lot of pictures na wala namang kinalaman sa'yo, tulad ng mga pets mo, yung pets mo lang, tapos wala ka sa picture, then I want you to remove that. Number two is lack of engagements. So, pag konti lang yung engagements mo, ibig sabihin, puro shit post lang yung pinupost mo. So, I want you to have something significant or valuable na i-share sa audience mo. So, this can be entertainment, this can be usually entertainment, valuable insights, tips, hacks, mga ganun. So, and also, stop sharing yung mga bad news, yung mga something that sparks negativity. And number three is that you're trying to portray someone else. So, kapag hindi ka naging authentic sa social media, then mararamdaman yun ng mga tao. So, always be true to yourself when posting to social media. So, ano ba yung mga negative impacts nito if you're not optimizing your profile or optimizing how you use your social media? Number one is you'll miss opportunities to attract dates. So, number one na tinitingnan ng ka-date mo is your social media. So, make sure you are portraying yourself as someone who is authentic but also high value. So, paano ba mangyayari yun? So, you need to improve yourself. You need to start self-improvement. Mag-gym ka. Gumawa ka ng pera. Matuto ka ng mga skills para gumawa ng pera. Makipagkaibigan ka, makipag-network ka. Kasi kapag nakita nila yun sa profile mo that you're working hard, you're trying to level up your status without pagkukunwari, then that's attractive. Number two is you may appear less interesting and desirable. Kung wala silang makitang picture about something that is attractive about you, then medyo bababa yung chance para maaya mo siya sa date. Number three is you'll struggle to connect with potential partners. Again, if you're trying to match yourself with someone else, wala kayong magiging connection. Because ibig sabihin nun, if na-attract mo siya just because of your mask, then ang gusto niya yung mask, hindi ikaw. In the long run, kayo lang rin na magkakaproblema. So, bakit ba importante yung strong profile? Because this will enhance your dating success. So, when a girl sees your profile that you have something going on with your life, you're not a scammer or you're not a catfish or hindi ka lang palamunin sa bahay, then this girl will see you as someone who is a valuable option or valuable mate. So, ano yung mga benefits nito? Number one, you attract high-quality dates. Number two, you'll showcase your true self. Again, being authentic. And number three is you'll feel more confident with your online presence. So, this one, kapag na-master nyo na yung online presence, you can also do a personal branding. So, ito yung parang ginagawa ko. I do have my own personal brand. So, in this way, I can also monetize itong mga contents ko. So, in that way, I can build up a financial status na din. So, ganun siya. So, ano ba yung first step in order for you to have a good profile? So, let's start on IG first. Sa IG is kailangan meron kayo 5 pictures dyan na magpo-portray ng high sexual market value. Number 1 is kailangan magpakita kayo ng pictures nyo with your fashion. Mga fit check nyo. Make sure na maganda yung quality, ha? Number 2 is your sex appeal. Sex appeal, ito yung mga fitness photos. Pwedeng gym photos or tank top photos. Something that will showcase your body. So, pwede rin sa beach pics, ganyan. Lifestyle pics, lifestyle picture, ito yung mga hobbies mo. Kung ano yung mga hobbies na ginagawa mo. Nagbaboxing ka ba? Nag-gym ka ba? Mahilig ka ba mag-beach? Nagmumotor ka ba? So, pwede mong ipakita yon. Meron kang lifestyle. There is something going on with your life. Pwede mo rin dito i-post yung businesses mo. Number 3, Number 4 is social proof. Social proof meaning you are being trusted by other people. Ibig sabihin, meron kang mga kaibigan. So, in that way, she will see you someone as trusted. And number 5, pictures with your pets. Kapag may pets ka, ito option na lang to. Pag may pets ka, mas okay na kasama mo sila sa picture. Okay na hindi lang yung pets mo. So, in that way, those five pictures will help you revamp your social media profile. Just make sure you are being authentic with your true self. So, yun lang. Let's go.